Hi, this is Satish here from MotoFocusz. Now we have BMW F10 5 series for projectors upgrade. This is pre-LCA model. We have upgraded the stock existing bi-xenon projectors to 3.2-inch bi-xenon Headlight G5 projectors and high beam, which is dummy in this all BMW 5 series, 3 series, 7 series. We removed those dummies and we installed bi-LED laser projectors. We have custom fabricated all the internals, and all other functions will work as it is, like AFS function, cornering function will work as it is. And we have restored all the wires to a brand new wires. Then we have changed the lens became very yellow and there are a small crack marks in the lens, so we have replaced the new lens. So this we have done lens replacement, wiring restoration and quad projector setup. Come, let us go and check the light output of this and see how we have very preciously open uh, all over the headlights without any damages in the body. And come, let us go and check light out.